Hello, I'm Hansi Hettiarachchi. In this short video, I will walk you through SNOWTEC, the information extractor we built as a part of the Accord project, utilizing AI and natural language processing techniques. SNOWTEC stands for Synthetic Natural Language Oversampling with Transformer-based Information Extraction for automated compliance checking. Our pipeline takes a regulatory sentence as the input, and I must specially mention that in the current version, SNOWTEC can only handle regulatory sentences containing all the details itself without any linguistical co-references or references to external sources. The output is a knowledge graph which represents the information expressed in the sentence. This pipeline also allows intermediate outputs to support different user customizations. As a complete pipeline, SNOWTEC can mainly use to extract the information from a regulatory sentence, converting text into a machine processable format. However, we can think of it as a composition of several components, which I'll explain in a bit, that can be utilized independently for different purposes such as building machine learning modules, data augmentation, and so on. In brief, SNOWTEC is an AI-powered information extractor tailored for building regulations. So it will be useful for a range of people, from researchers who work on similar research to domain experts who make decisions based on the information embedded in the text. Let's move into more technical details of SNOWTEC. This is an overview of our approach. Except for the connecting components, it has four main elements: label data, data augmenter, and two machine learning modules for identifying entities and relations. As labeled data, we use the code Accord corpus, which is also developed as a part of the Accord project, to power the SNOWTEC pipeline. Similarly, this dataset can be used to train or fine-tune machine learning modules, mainly targeting entity and relation extraction from building regulations. Here you can see a summary of Code Accord's data statistics and distributions. Please refer to our GitHub page for more information about this dataset. The second main element in SNOWTEC is the data augmenter. We used it to synthetically generate more data to support the model learning processes. Importantly, we implemented it as a generic approach which can be used to augment any relation annotation dataset. These two machine learning models are not just part of SNOWTEC, they are its core. They perform the entity and relation classification to facilitate the information extraction. As shown in these figures, we adopted two transformer or language model-based architectures to build these models. You can find more information on how to get access to these architectures and available pre-trained models via our GitHub page. If you find our work interesting, here is a list of useful links to learn more about SNOWTEC. Thank you, and please feel free to reach out to us if you have any queries.